This is a 90s Janitrol packaged air conditioner and in a very old vintage Whirlpool. Which I actually think this might be from the 70s. Data sheets right there. I don't think it's no longer legible, as you can see. And this data sheet's faded for the most part, but I can kind of read it. Down here, see how this is central cooling air conditioner. See, yeah, I know this is a straight cool unit, but I do not know the date. Yeah, that's long gone. I'd say this is about a 3-ton maybe. I'm not sure. But yeah, there's the Whirlpool. And to be honest, I do not know if this is a straight cool unit or a heat pump. There's the fan right there. It's got 4 blades. You can see. All the guts are... I'm pretty sure this is a straight cool unit. Don't know for sure, but I'm pretty sure it's a straight cool unit. Heating and cooling products. And there's the Whirlpool. And there is a Comfort Maker packaged unit over here. Not running, I can't. You know what? This might be a gas pack. I think that might have the Copeland scroll. And you know what? Where's the... Yeah, this is a gas pack right here. This is from 05. That's a 5-ton. So yeah, this is ICP. There's a Goodman package or gas pack. I think it's a gas pack right over here. Okay, I thought it was running for a sec. Yeah, none of these are running because it's kind of chilly out. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this is yeah, there's a gas meter right there. Yeah, this is definitely a gas pack. There's the lines. Manufacturing date. Okay, forced air furnace with cooling unit. Yeah, this is from 2004. That's a 5-ton. And there's a window unit over there. Don't know what brand. There's actually 2 of them. These might actually be the only units on the property. I think these all might be straight cool. These all might be straight cool units. There's the Comfort Maker again, the ICP. Not running. And the Janitrol packaged unit. And the old Whirlpool. And I'm going to check for some more. Make sure I didn't miss any. It'll be right along here, so yeah, there's nothing left. But yeah. There's the Janitrol again. I do not think it has been running. Nope. Like I said, it's cool. It's kind of cool outside. So these will not be running. And you know what? I would not be surprised if this thing still runs. It's in good shape. I mean, the coils, there's some graffiti written on them, but other than that, it's in great shape. Yeah, there's the Whirlpool. And like I said, I think this is from the 70s. Yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.